Guys, I don't even know how to shoot this content, but yesterday JJ and Jake, I was working on the doors on this thing, and you would think it's very simple, and I think they did a wonderful job. Like, because also another thing with carbon, the fitment can be very difficult, so like to make it fit very even like this, it's not as easy as it looks. Just coming together slowly, but I think they have to modify the door more, and they ended up hooking up the air. So see, now we have a port, and this is the GTR I worked on the other day. How much? Learning from JJ.
Yeah, Unibit's next.
Actually, step it, huh?
I did.
Damn. Pretty wide, huh? Shit. Alright you guys, so we are back from testing, and Mr. Nakojima is here. He's gonna build the remaining parts of the aero. Pretty much earlier this morning I was vacuuming, wiping and cleaning the car since it got so dusty. So I just want to show you guys a little sneak peek behind the scenes. It's gonna be our splitter. It's very crazy. It's upside down, but it's very cool. But these are pretty much done. I just have to tape the weights inside with some foil tape. we are getting pretty close, you know. It's already the second or the third today, and we're gonna probably leave on the 14th. This is going to be our wing mount. This is a sneak peek before the car is done. Well, at this point when I'm gonna upload this video, this is gonna be already running and you guys gonna already seen it. But this is gonna be kind of throwback. Or as you guys know him, Mr. Voltex is working on our aero. So you know it's coming together, and definitely you guys gonna be like, holy shit, yeah, this wing is huge. I just want to show you guys the oven we built. That way he's pushing hot air onto the carbon fiber. I didn't end up yesterday recording. I ended up mounting our rain slicks on, and right now I'm just putting foil tape on the weights so they're not gonna melt off with you know, the heat we're gonna bring into the wheels. Right now the car is getting wrapped